All right, guys, welcome. I wanted to show you some really cool technology that we use on the Octocopter while we're flying to get some amazing aerial cinema. First, let's start with what we call the FPV system. It's the first-person view system. I have two of them. One is going to be for me, the pilot. The other one's going to be for Brett Lyman, who's the cinematographer. This one I'm showing you right here is for me. I connect a GoPro camera to a transmitter that is on the Octocopter along with the GoPro camera. That gets beamed back to my goggles here, which I put on my face so I can view what the helicopter is seeing while it's flying, so I can fly safely. The GoPro enables me to get a nice wide shot so I can see what I'm shooting, or what I'm flying. And so the next one is going to be over here. This is Brett Lyman's system. This is the FPV system for Brett. As you see, he's got a way bigger monitor because his FPV system is a lot more important than mine. I can fly without mine. So it's the same kind of setup. You got the receiver and transmitter. One on the right gets connected to the camera, which is on the Octocopter itself, and the one on the left gets plugged into the monitor right up here. So that enables Brett to see what he's shooting, and it's very important because he needs to see what he's shooting because he's panning around, he's tilting, he's focusing, he's doing whatever, and you don't want to fly blind when you're flying with what we're doing. So the next setup is a pretty cool little setup. It's new technology. It's called the data link system. This enables us to connect to a computer back on the ground and connect to the Octocopter in the air. The part on the right gets connected to the Octocopter. It gets connected to the directly right to the computer. And the part on the left is going to be on the ground, connected to the computer on the ground. So what this does, it enables us to put waypoints into a computer and to be able to fly via a computer. It's really darn cool. We can set our altitudes, our direction, our speed, whatever we need to set. So that's pretty darn cool, and we like that a lot. And the next thing we're coming to is our Bluetooth device. This enables us to connect to the computer on the Octocopter and then be able to open up an app and see on your iPhone or your iPad the different stats, and you can also make changes to your Octocopter like with the motor speeds and everything like that. So that's a pretty darn cool piece of equipment. And this thing actually goes along with the BTU also. It's the on-screen display. This allows you to see what your Octocopter is doing in the air. It's just kind of like a dashboard, or with a pilot and instrument panel. It will show you a display back on your iPhone or your iPad. It'll kind of show you, not kind of, but it will show you your speed, your altitude, and it'll show you battery life and all that good stuff. But you know, one thing that is really cool about all this technology, it's pretty darn small, which enables us to put a lot of it on ActionChopper, which is pretty loaded down as it is, but you know, it flies very well with what we have. So we really like this setup, and we wanted to show you guys a little bit about this technology that we're using. If you have any questions, let me know. It's adam@360creative.com, or visit us online at actionchopper.com. Thanks, guys.